when we have those type of handle when they are locked. So we have three different ways to open it. One is to pick the cylinder, but this one doesn't have a cylinder because it's a privacy lock. Second one, it's with the cylinder. We're gonna have to pick it. We can do pick, leashy, bump key, all of them can work. And another tools that they have specifically for those, it's called the long reach for a handle. So the way it works, I'm putting the tools, you see straight, I'm going underneath. The first thing is what I'm doing, I'm measuring how far is from the door. So I see it's approximately around here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the reach tools inside, and when I'm getting to this point, you see, I'm giving it and pushing the door, putting the handle down, and at the same time, when the door is open this way, you want to push it, like you push it when you do it, so when you open it, it's gonna open. Otherwise, you're gonna do it, but you don't push the door, so it's not gonna open. And sometimes they do have like door closer, so the door closer putting more pressure, so you want to force your body and do it.
Okay, no, that's fine.
However, we want to see, we're doing some practice or anything.
There you go.
That's because I got more money yesterday.
Next.
He made it
pro.
look easy.
It's easy, it's easy.
Yeah, it's not bad. You just need the rod to hit the back of the door and kind of slide it this way. You'll feel the handle.